Hello guys, welcome back to Video Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Halo Infinite multiplayer blue screen error on Xbox and PC and how we can fix this up. So let's get into it. The first one is all about if you're on the Xbox, what you have to do is to fix this. You just have to restart your console because that's going to fix the issue up. And if you're on the PC, then you just have to follow the instruction. So that is, if you're on the Xbox, just restart your console so that you'll be able to fix the issue up. And if you're on the PC, you just have to open your Steam. Then you just have to right click over here and go to properties. Now from here you just have to go for local files over here, and there is an option called verify integrity of game files. You just have to click on this, but it's going to take a little bit of time, which means it is going to check whether you're having any corrupted files or not. So most probably after this you will be able to fix the issue up and you'll not be having any kind of trouble. It's going to take a little bit of time because, as you know, that it is around 26 GB, so it's going to take a little bit of time. So this is how we can fix the issue up on the blue screen on Halo Infinite when on multiplayer, and how to fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.